Have you ever wondered why you can spot a face in the clouds yet miss the screaming red flags in your inbox? After devouring millions of psychology pages in milliseconds, an AI has boiled our messy minds down to 12 brutally honest truths about human psychology. Pattern-finding meat machine. A Paleolithic hunter freezes. The grass ripples like tiger stripes. No tiger, just wind. 40,000 years later, you still see a demon in burnt toast and hidden messages in static. Your pattern radar hasn't updated its software since the Ice Age. Patterns aren't always truth. Emotion leads. Logic edits. You swear you bought that gadget after careful research, but your pulse spiked first and reasoning jogged in late holding coffee. Emotions write the screenplay. Logic only fixes spelling before the credits roll. Feel first, justify later. Social survival instinct. Think back to middle school. You laughed at a joke you didn't understand because everyone else was cracking up. Our ancestors survived by fitting in. Today, that wiring fuels cults, trends, and awkward group chats you still ignore. Belonging beats correctness. Biases on default. You guess the candy jar holds 300 pieces because a billboard flashed 300 a minute ago. Anchoring confirmation and negativity biases masquerade as gut feelings, leaving you confident and clueless. Bias loves the blind spot. Drunk meteorologist mind meet Dave, forever clutching an umbrella because yesterday's app icon showed rain. Your brain hawks constant forecasts with the swagger of a drunk meteorologist, loud, certain, usually wrong. Certainty isn't accuracy.